In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door weather strip on your Nissan X-Trail T32, model years 2015 to 2022. Over time, the rubber seal around your door can become worn, cracked, or loose. This can lead to wind noise, water leaks, and reduced insulation inside the cabin. So if you notice any of these signs, it's a good idea to replace your weather strip. Let's go step by step. First, prepare your tools. You'll need a trim removal tool or clip remover, and a clean cloth to protect your car's surface. Start by removing the clips that hold the weather strip in place. Carefully insert the tool under each clip and gently pry them out. Make sure to place a cloth between the tool and the car body to prevent scratches or damage to the paint. Once all the clips are removed along the door frame, you can begin removing the old weather strip. If necessary, use the appropriate tool to loosen the bolt on the door check in order to take off the old rubber seal. After removing the old weather strip, take a clean cloth, dampen it with water, and wipe along the entire door frame. This step is important to remove dust, dirt, and residue, so the new weather strip can fit properly and securely. Now, take your new weather strip and position it along the door frame. Before installing, double-check that it matches your vehicle model and aligns correctly with the door. Start the installation from the top section of the door. Press the weather strip firmly into the groove, making sure it sits evenly and securely. Next, move to the left side of the door frame. Press the weather strip into place along the groove. And once it is aligned, secure the clip at the upper left corner. Then continue with the right side. Again, press the weather strip into the groove and secure the clip at the upper right corner. After that, go around the entire door frame and press all remaining clips firmly into place. Make sure every point is properly secured to prevent the weather strip from coming loose during use. Take your time during this step to ensure a clean and tight installation. Finally, reassemble and tighten the door check bolt if applicable. Once everything is in place, check the alignment and close the door gently to ensure a proper seal. And that's it, your new door weather strip is now installed. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, so you won't miss more useful automotive tips and installation guides. For more information or to place an order, please contact us through the channels shown on screen. Thank you for watching.